Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use berberine for weight loss. Berberine is a natural compound found in several plants, historically used in traditional medicine for various health benefits. It plays a role in regulating your body's metabolism and can improve how your cells respond to insulin. When combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, berberine can be a supportive tool for managing your weight effectively. Berberine primarily works by activating an enzyme called AMP, often referred to as your body's metabolic master switch. This activation helps your body burn stored fat for energy and reduces the accumulation of new fat deposits. It also enhances how your cells absorb glucose, leading to better blood sugar control. These combined effects can contribute to a modest but significant weight loss. For optimal results, a typical dosage of berberine is 500 milligrams, taken 2 or 3 times each day. It is generally recommended to take your supplement with meals. This approach helps improve absorption and can significantly reduce the chance of experiencing any mild digestive discomfort. Remember, consistent daily intake over several weeks is key to experiencing its full benefits. Before incorporating berberine into your routine, it is crucial to speak with a healthcare professional. While generally safe, some individuals may experience mild digestive side effects such as nausea, bloating, or diarrhea, especially when first starting. Additionally, berberine can interact with various prescription medications, so professional guidance ensures it is safe and appropriate for your specific health needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.